Well, I'm very honored. I'm really proud about it. In fact, it was a pleasant surprise to me to get recognized for work done many years ago. I said work that we have done because it was a team effort, not only me. Everybody knows that doing nothing new or stagnating is losing. So we need that innovation to stay a successful company, in fact. So we need to keep up with evolving customer needs. So we have to do everything better and faster. Yeah, telecom has seen an amazing evolution the last decades. So in the end is even not in sight, I think. So there will be plenty of work for us. See, there will be more need for connectivity. For example, seeing 5G and the Internet of Things.